My dear friends and well-wishers, greetings from Father Vincent D'Souza, Secretary CODP Mangalore. Social service and charity are the two pillars with which CODP is erected on 16th April 1974. CODP will be stepping to the 50th year. The year 2024 is the golden year. Most Reverend Dr. Peter Paul Saldana, the Bishop of Mangalore, the President of the Board of CODP, along with its members, well-wishers and friends of CODP, dream to build 50 houses for poor to begin with. Your generous share towards the house building for the poor can be sent to CODP Mangalore. You can donate to full house rupees 8 lakhs or substantial contribution rupees 5 lakhs or more. For more information, follow our website codpindia.com. May this Lenten season enable the Holy Spirit to send generous donors towards the house building campaign in our diocese. Long live CODP!